Is my love so for singing and opening the light without always going. Praise the Lord, let them hear His voice. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord, let the people rejoice. Oh, come to the Father through Jesus the Son, and give Him the glory, great things He has done. Oh,